everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today, for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to log in Uber in your desktop. For that, open a Google browser on your PC and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in uber.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on login over here at the right side. Click on it. You need to choose how you are going to sign in. Sign in to drive and delivery or sign in to ride. Or you want to order delivery with Uber Eats. We're going to go with the sign in to drive and deliver. If that's your account, click that. Here you need to provide either your phone number or the email address. Type in the email address and then click on next. So a 4-digit code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check for that code. There's the Uber mail, click upon that. You copy this code over here and then paste it on the text box. And just with that, you will be easily logged in into the account of yours in Uber desktop. Hope this video was useful on how you can log in into the Uber account of yours. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.